OMG, mga besh, it is very shameful, pero this is it. This is the reality of my closet. OMG. So mga besh, let's take a closer look. And it's like an okay or a thrift store, as you can see. So first is we took the clothes that nakahang. So choose the clothes that you still want to wear and the clothes for donations. So these are the clothes for donations, and these are the clothes that I still want to wear. And as you can see, I've changed the hanger. And mga besh, I really love the pink hanger. So these are the clothes that to be hung, from dark colors to light colors. So next is get all away the folded clothes, and again select the clothes that you are still going to wear and the clothes that are for donations. So these are all the clothes that are going for donations. You know what mga besh? I still have bras that I haven't used. Like they are still on their packaging, and some of them are, the tags are still on. Oh my god, and it's a lot. I think I'm a bra hoarder. What do you think mga besh? And to be honest, I already forgot about these things. So this is how I fold my t-shirts and blouses. So mga besh, be sure that the neck area and the hem is where you fold the clothes. So this box is where I stored all my tops. With bras, this is how I fold. I just tuck in all the straps to the cups. And these are also my box for bras that I've used on daily basis. So for my panties or undies, this is how I fold. And this is also the box for my undies. So for my sarong or scarf, this is how I fold. So if your scarf has a tassel, just fold like this. And here's my box for sarong or scarf. And wait, I also put here my short shorts. And I also fold like this. So here's my box for my sarong and short shorts. So for the socks, I fold like this. Just roll the tip of the socks up to the ankle and tuck in on one of the leg hole of the socks. So in this box where I put all my socks with the brush that I haven't used. For the leggings and pants, I fold like this. Just fold this part and then fold this way. And this is my box of my leggings and some shorts. So last but not the least is this is how I fold my duster. Just fold the straps of the duster and fold like this. So this is my box of my dusters and my pajamas. So mga besh, I still have some clothes that I haven't used. So I bought this one because it's on sale and I really love the pattern, the hearts and the stripes, because you know I love stripes. And maybe I can use this one when we are on our vacation. So I just keep this in my closet. So another clothes that I haven't wear is this one. I really love the colors. And this is still on sale. And I really love this blouses. It's very summery and there's two stripes. I really love the colors, and again it's stripes. And maybe I can use these blouses for next summer. So again, I just keep it in my closet. So mga besh, this is my closet after I organized, and these are the clothes that I like to be hung. So in the first shelf, I put my box where my socks and my unused bras. And the second box where I put my scarves and some short shorts. So on the second shelf is where I put my bras that I use on daily basis. And the second box is where my panties or undies. And on the third shelf is where I put the bags where I put all my tops. So in these sides where I hang my clothes, I put all my leggings, my colored pants, my pajamas, my dusters, and some shorts. So in the bottom shelf is where I put my clothes that I haven't wear, some jeans and denim jackets. And this mini closet is where I put all my documents. So that's it mga besh. I hope you like how I organized my closet. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. So see you on my next video. Bye!